Yo, what's good, Weebs? My name is Gio.
My name's Fabian.
I'm Petty.
I'm Mauricio.
And together we are WeebsRUs. Welcome back to some more Chainsawman reactions. Today we're going to be watching episode 6 of Chainsawman entitled Kill Denji.
Boop, boop, boop.
And
Denji.
Oh, my bad.
Bro,
Denji.
trying to kill Denji, bro. What did Denji do? Like
What?
what did Kenny Cypher's brother do to you?
Yeah, bro. What are you talking about, bro?
Whoa! Last episode of Chainsawman, it ended off right when we were in the lobby of the 8th floor and we entered a loop.
The time skip.
We entered the back rooms.
Dun, dun, dun.
I don't get that shit, bro.
You
I don't know.
what it is, bro.
What the
Bro.
fuck you talking about,
Backrooms, bro. Come on.
Yo, pull up the clip.
What?
Roll
What
the clip.
backrooms, bro?
Yo.
What clip?
So right now we're looking for, what was the demon called? The
We're looking for
Gun
the gun
demon?
demon, yeah.
The gun demon.
But we're
yeah.
not. But right now we're looking for a demon devil.
we're looking
Not a demon.
gun devil.
But we're looking for a devil that has a piece of the gun demon.
Gun
Yeah.
devil.
Yeah. I was about to say strap. I said demon again?
Yeah.
Damn. So if you guys do enjoy this reaction, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. And to subscribe, make sure the notification bell is ringing just so you guys are notified every time we upload, because you won't miss out on everything and all things.
Whoops. Then, don't forget to join Discord. You see Mama Kevin here playing type of games for you guys.
And don't forget to also join the Patreon where you can watch multiplayer Modern Warfare 2.
Yes, sir.
Getting nukes.
Yes, sir.
Oof.
And without further ado, let my boy Kevin React says. Let's get into it.
8th floor.
Yeah, we go. First up, we got ooh.
Did we see it? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping.
Aki. Alright, here we go. So yeah, they realized that they entered the loop.
Well, shit.
What's up with the peace signs, bro? What the
After
fuck?
panic move, bro, she's gonna be like this.
What you mean? We're in the back rooms.
Break the window. Oh.
Oh shit.
It is the back room.
Whoa,
Yeah, bro, it's basically a back
nah. That's trippy.
They're all connected.
What the hell? Nah.
And we're dead. Oh, he's sweating. We're fucked.
We're trapped on the 8th floor.
We're
Take a nap.
chilling, bro.
Nah, bruh.
Oh, that's what caused loop. No, no.
I was trying to find a reason why it happened, like in the last episode, to see if anything that could have triggered this, but I'm not sure.
It's hard. It's gonna be something we don't know or see.
It's the whole hotel.
Nice.
Nah, I just,
Alright, we Denji.
yeah, bro, we Denji.
That's a good dream right there.
Damn, so she didn't even want to be it. That's why she...
That's crazy, bro.
Oh,
Damn. Oh, no, okay.
Oh
Right.
my god.
Yeah, that's
It was
crazy.
a better option.
At least you're with good people here.
Yo, she's actually sobbing because, like, you see the mocos come out of her ear. That's how you know it's real.
Damn, that's fucked.
She was laughing.
Bro, I'll Cheeto chop her, bro. You know what Cheeto chop is?
No.
You like hit her in the neck.
She's a devil.
Oh yeah,
Well, she's,
huh? Fiend devil.
yeah.
What about
Aren't moving.
Oh shit.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Aki's making me feel scared, bro. He's sweating.
We're stuck in the fourth dimension, Morty.
Oh, the time has been frozen.
Oh no.
Let it go.
This man.
This.
Bro. This man really fell asleep, bro.
It's the answer, bro.
Cheeto chop him.
For what? To put him to sleep?
Oh. That should make you go like this.
Oh, yo.
Damn.
And sleep. Why are they in different rooms?
They're all scared.
Oh my gosh. It's like being in solitary confinement, bro.
Try to drink with the
What?
Yeah.
Bro.
What?
Yo, I thought he was on the bed. I'm tripping.
I think different room.
Damn.
Damn.
Jesus.
Damn.
Said 100% sales tax, bro.
Oh no.
Oh no, she's about to start freaking out, bro. She don't have her cigarettes. She got the darts on her, bro. She's done. Yeah, I bet.
Newports.
But from you.
Of course.
Is that for your bones?
Ah, it is. Just like
I bet you it is.
yeah, bro.
But I'm chilling. Wait, is his hair not up?
No, it's not.
Damn.
What happened?
Her mom
was
slapped.
like, why are you smoking? Caught her at the store. What?
Oh, never mind. Ah, that makes sense.
That's stupid.
He's gonna go beat her up.
Yo, imagine.
Mori, bro.
Hmm?
That looks chill as fuck.
Good vibes.
That's why they're gonna probably be scared of well, they said devil
what?
hunters.
Just one for some
Peer
tofu.
pressuring.
I knew it.
What was this peer pressuring, Woody?
It always happens.
It remember the first time of me and Kevin drinking together.
Just one. Hey, that's what they all say, huh?
So this is the first and last I'll ever light up.
Oh no!
Oh, of course.
What a great transition.
Let's share.
Damn.
Oh, he's gonna use it for something. To like burn.
What's
Oh,
the
my
news?
bad. I thought he was about to use it for something.
He's not there no more.
He's the motel, bro. Or hotel.
Oh.
Ah,
Then that's probably it.
What the?
it's that one thing.
A contract.
Ah, kill Denji.
Sound like the deal? Oh, yeah.
Who's peeking?
Hey yo.
Oh, they willing to do it, bro?
Yeah. They probably are.
Yo.
Oh, I knew she was down. Let him eat it. Get eaten. What's the knife gonna do, bruh?
No, nah.
Hey, yo.
Damn.
Damn.
Damn, bro. They,
No
they
mercy.
even have to make the freaking like that
She
looks
got
so
chopped.
crazy.
You can't even use your devil powers?
He's just
What
like,
do you mean?
Oh, so the only one that can probably is either
Denji.
Denji or oh. Damn.
oh,
They just make it
goes
stronger.
bigger.
With pain, it gets bigger with pain.
Oh shit! I told you the hotel devil.
Yo.
Or else,
Or else? Ah.
let's make a contract, Modi.
Nah.
Bro,
Bro, that's crazy how they're just willing to give him up like
it's
that.
just
But
that
they
those-
don't
they're
know him
They're
that
rookies.
much.
broke.
They're rookies.
Yeah, they broke, bruh.
Then why are they even devil hunters, bro? They're weak.
Well, one doesn't want to be a sex worker, Joe.
That's, I know her story.
とにかくデンジは殺さない。俺たちはデビルハンター。殺すのは悪魔だけだ。暇だから押し相撲するか。すぐ
Bro,
Bro.
She said wrestle?
yeah.
Yeah. But she really gonna kill his
I'm
ass.
just saying that's a free feel, bro.
腹減った。
マキ君、実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
悪魔の言葉を信じるなら、奴を殺すことはできない。でもデンジを殺すつもりはない。どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
What's the sword?
刀使えば解決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。
What's wrong with the sword?
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使う。
Ooh.
I wonder if it unleashes something.
ベッドに置いておいた食料が
Bro.
全部ない。なんで
Of course she ate it
Dang.
all. You know what's crazy? Even if there's no food,
全部食べたのか。
I'm the type of guy to like still look at every single spot to see if there's any food left.
Oh,
Me too.
Oh my god.
oh my god, bro.
Quit jumping to conclusions, bruh.
違うわ。
Spicy. Oh my god. Chill out.
Oh god, bruh.
Oh, with fear?
Yeah.
So they like fear.
Bro, it grows an insane amount.
Terrible then, bro.
Huh?
It's terrible then. They're all scared.
So how did they know about Denji? What, like, how did word spread
The
with
Eternity Devil.
Is that what he is?
The Eternity
Nice.
Devil?
He said that's what he wants to be.
Ah. By eating Denji.
And it showed like the infinity, bro.
Oh my.
The thing is, though, is that like we don't really know how long they were in there, bro. So you think you'd go crazy too? Like, what if they were in there for days? Probably not. Huh? What are you doing?
Bro.
She doesn't
what's
want
up
him to
the
use the sword.
bro.
It's,
They're gonna feed him Denji to the
この
devil.
刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約で、アキ君の寿命がかかっているの。
Shit.
アキ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんある。
and you, Denji, you can just die.
Damn, yeah.
Also, how'd they get to the other side? I forgot. It's all connected.
Should go fuck, man.
Oh.
Oh, bruh.
Oh my god, that had to hurt, dude.
Bro, at this point, bro, I'm feeding her.
Yeah.
Right? On accident, just kick her off.
刺されても仕方ない。
Never mind, he's okay.
胸くその悪い野郎だが、銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。
Because
一人じゃ銃の悪魔を
That's right.
奴を殺すには立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンター
so
が寿命を減らして
so you know what?
Pull the sword out.
天地は殺させない。
No, I'm like, so you know what? You're going down there. The girl, man. She doesn't have the courage to fight him.
こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃが。
Try.
ちょんまげが死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるの。仕方なくやってやるわ。
Oh damn, but she about to see another one of her teammates almost die.
Feed the girl.
Shut up.
Yeah, get the fuck out.